As a tradition, every year since around 2007, Asgard Engineering have manufactured a small Christmas decoration that we present as a gift along with a card to our main customers and suppliers. Each year, a new theme is chosen. The theme is used for the picture on the card as well as for the accompanying machine gift. This year, we thought it would be nice for our apprentices seminaring to come up with their own design, giving them the opportunity to experience the manufacturing process from concept through to creation. Today, they're going to be showing me their ideas and hopefully we'll choose something together to proceed with. So how are we getting on?
So we've come up with two ideas. We've got this, which is a Santa hat, and then we've got a coin, which would have a Santa's face engraved into it.
Yeah, with the Santa hat here, it's in 3 different parts and we'll just assemble it all together at the end.
So how are we going to get it to come together?
Right, so the top piece we're thinking of putting either a taper fit or just a very small thread, maybe like a M2 or something.
Okay.
Yeah, we're thinking of doing that taper fit here as well. But that's what we've got right now.
Yeah, I think the hat is a really good idea. But I am interested in what your thoughts are on the coin. So
we were thinking do that in aluminium as well, obviously the same as the hat. Maybe have it a couple of mil thick and then engrave the Santa face sort of halfway through, and then on the back face have like a little message.
Yep. Yeah, we could use CAD to model up an image and then we'd get the coordinates from the CAM software and we should be able to engrave hopefully something that will represent Santa. It might be worth us going onto the shop floor, having a look at what materials we've already got. That might help us with proving out and ultimately determining what machine we're going to put them on. So I think we should go out and have a look now.